Hey everyone, I'm 12 News meteorologist Stephen Matrigrano here with a Weather Now update for you on this Sunday morning. Another round of showers and storms made their way through overnight. We're looking at more tracking through as I'm making this video. The time is about just before our 6 o'clock newscast, and we're seeing a line of showers and thunder tracking through. Here it is. It's currently across central parts of the state, places like Providence, Warwick, North Kingstown, down towards Newport, Jamestown, and out towards the East Bay. This is a non-severe storm, just, thunder, lightning, heavy rain tracking on through. And you can see that making its way eastward here. And it'll be out of here over the next 20, 30 minutes or so. So I'm thinking by about 6:30 to 7 o'clock, this should be kind of pushing its way east out towards the Cape and Islands and eventually offshore. But you can see here closer up how the darker shades of red indicate the heavier rainfall that's tracking over Narragansett Bay, again, over the next, say 10, 15 minutes or so, then eventually eastward. So that is the last batch that we see for right now. Looking at a mainly cloudy day coming up ahead for our Sunday with a little bit of sunshine, but also areas of fog this morning. Lots of clouds here, Narragansett. Rain is falling here, some of that rain heavy at times as the storm tracks through. Providence also seeing the rain. That's where the visibility is knocked down a little bit. So again, this is kind of a quick hitting kind of, round of rain, if you will. Temperatures in the 60s across the board, 66 in Providence, 63 Smithfield. It's very humid out there. Dew points in the 60s and 70s. And, we're going to be having a really warm day, but it's going to be feeling a lot hotter today. Temperatures will be in the 80s, but it'll feel like the 90s when you factor in that humidity, and any kind of bit of sun that we get during the middle part of the day will only make it feel hotter or warmer, if you will. So that's what we're looking at for later on today. But here's the forecast this morning. We'll call it damp, muggy, kind of gloomy with the showers out there, some thunder, lightning. Humid and warm through the middle part of the day. Clouds, a little bit of sun expected in spots for the middle part of the day. Kind of similar to yesterday. We had a lot of clouds around, but there was some peaks of sunshine from time to time. That's kind of what we're expecting for the middle part of today. As we go into this afternoon, a brief shower, very humid, and, again, passing shower at times. But other than that, looking at a cloudy day with a little bit of sunshine at times. Temperatures well into the 80s. Feels like temperatures in the 90s, especially across the interior. So New England, for Sunday, is dealing with a potential severe weather outbreak, mainly to the north of us across, Vermont, New Hampshire, western and central Mass. You can see that dark orange or brown shading. That's a level 3 for severe weather. That's pretty high, and it's not that common in New England. So for us to see that, kind of gives us an idea that there's going to be somewhere in that vicinity that sees, a severe weather event. Whether it means tornadoes, that's a real possibility. But notice we're in that slight category and the yellow. That's a level 2. So thinking is that there could be a couple of stray showers and storms that become strong to severe that track through our area, giving us that severe threat. And this is for really later today, especially this evening and tonight overnight. So this is kind of a, very end of the weekend type of deal when we're talking about the severe threat. So again, that's what we're looking at over the next 24 hours or so. Tonight's forecast, a little bit more of a breakdown. Again, muggy, humid through the evening hours. That shower storm chance there basically all day long and into tonight, but the better chance will be late night, during that, late evening hours into the overnight time frame. Passing shower or storm. Any storm that comes through could be strong to severe with, very heavy rain, gusty winds, and again, even a possible isolated tornado if this were to come to fruition. So I do think the main threat for severe weather will be to the north and west of us, but you can never let your guard down when there's that kind of scenario very close by. So that's kind of what we're looking at for today. But we'll be watching it closely all throughout the day, so make sure you check back for updates.